Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 445 Short War Summary. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you would like to support us, Patreon link in the description below. In our first clip here, we can see the 45th Artillery Brigade continuing to destroy Russian ammunition and artillery stations in the southern area of Bakhmut. The battle in this area is continuing on at a consistent pace at this point, with the Ukrainians able to take several hundred meters, or if not a kilometer of ground per day, and the 72nd Brigade, which was holding this area, appears to still be in some kind of an unorganized rout, although they are attempting to regroup and once again fortify their defensive positions. In this next clip, you once again see another Wagner PMC taken prisoner.
Красавчик. Что-то родным хочешь передать?
Родным передашь, это маме, папе.
Передаю привет родным и близким.
Фамилия.
Ваш сын, там муж,
Ну ладно.
то он вам. Все в порядке с ним.
Да. Он
Окажем первую медицинскую помощь по возможности, когда с позиции выйдем.
У него нога что-то там.
Все будет нормально.
There's been a steady increase in the number of prisoners taken around the city of Bakhmut, with a marked, sharp rise in prisoners taken during the past week. In this clip, a Ukrainian unit fighting in Bakhmut came under close shelling with an artillery shell landing just outside. Fortunately, none of the soldiers in this unit were injured or even killed, according to the commander of this unit. In this last clip, we can see an M113 racing down the road of life to the city of Bakhmut. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure to support us on Patreon. The link is in the description below. I'll see you all in the next one.